Hey, Russell Leeds here, and this week I want to talk to you about what is it you want from your business. How do you set your goals, your personal goals, your business goals? How do you get it all to work? So basically, this is what I would suggest you do. This is what I do. A lot of my students have done this, and I find it works really well. Start off with your personal goals. So you want to be thinking about what is it that you want for your life. And normally it comes down to two things, sort of time and money. So how much money do you need to earn to live the life that you want? It might be that you want to drive a new Range Rover. It might be you want to live in a certain part of town. It might be that you want to play golf once a week or whatever it is, but work out what it is that you want your personal goals to be, how much time you want your family, etc., etc. And you need to sort of get in your head what it is that you want your lifestyle to be like. Once you've got that figure in mind, then start setting your business goals. So now you know how much money you need to be earning and how much time you need off to fit with your personal goals. So have a look at your business. What do I have business goals? How much money do I need to earn to be able to live this lifestyle? How much money, how much time off do I need? Whatever it is, but you need to set your personal goals first. So get your personal goals sorted out in your head, then move on to your business. So many people start off with their business goals. They don't even really know why they want to do it. They're just sort of like, oh well, I want to earn £100,000 this year. I want to earn £500,000 this year. It's just sort of pie in the sky kind of figures. If you've got a real reason, a real why, it makes it so much more achievable. Because when you're struggling and when you're going through hard times and when you're thinking, why am I doing this? You know why you're doing it. So I would say when it comes to setting goals, it's really important that you do it that way around. But more importantly than any of that, I think it's important that you enjoy the journey. So whatever it is that you're doing, whatever your business is, whatever your venture is, whatever your goals are, if you don't enjoy it, it doesn't really matter what your goals are. You're gonna end up not doing it. You know, willpower only gets you so far. So make sure that whatever it is you choose to do, whatever the goals are, make sure it's worth it. Make sure that you enjoy doing what you're doing. Make sure that you're addicted to it. And when you've got something like a business that you love, that you're excited to get up for in the morning, that's what being an entrepreneur is all about. If you enjoyed this video, please do subscribe. We do videos every single week talking about entrepreneurs' tips and tricks and sales and all sorts of stuff to help you grow your business and to become successful. Thanks very much.